Guys, I just got this Lasko Premium to replace one of my other fans because the other one had a broken switch and I had to replace it with another switch. And I bought me a Premium. It's a model 3723. It says it right there. See? Leave out the fan man. I bought one of your fans. This is awesome. We're about to do an unboxing. I got some tools here I can get it open with. I do have tools I keep with me. One day we'll oil this fan. This is a flathead screwdriver. Okay. Hold on, let me get me another tool I have. I do build fans too if you haven't seen them. That one up there, the old Lasko is going to separate the motor. Perfect. Alright. There's nothing in the box, so I'll keep this for instructions. That's what I like to do with them. Get my feet. Alright, I know where they go. They go in the back right here. Okay, something's wrong with this one. Okay, plug her into some power. This is the R1. I could show you it. This is the one with the. It's made in USA. The motor's made in China on this one. This is the little Toucan motor right here. As you can see the motor. Here's the fan. Plug it in. Turn it off. Because we don't want nothing to happen. Plug her in. Turn her on low. Blows a lot of air. Woo! Medium. The motor makes a nice whining sound. High. It's gotta break in. This is the first run of it. Spin down. She's definitely gonna need to lubricate itself. Okay. This is actually the back of it. Start up. Spin down. Medium. High. It's not sounding right, but I'll see you later.